We definitely live in what you would consider a rural area of Northern California. We do a lot of agriculture in our area.
And we're off. And that is a water skiing squirrel. Look at that, perfect form. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Who's gonna get, who's gonna win?
Saturday during the day, we went to another birthday party for my son's classmates. So tonight I'm just going to be making a nice dinner to last us a couple days for leftovers. We are doing another birthday party for a classmate at the trampoline park. The trampoline park is obviously the popular place for my son's kindergarten class. They really love to come here. So this time I brought my daughter because she was feeling left out, and they had a blast. It's so crazy watching the difference of them growing up in just the span of a couple weeks. The first time he was trying to put the basketball in the hoop, he couldn't make it, and now he can do it about 50% of the time. It's really amazing how quickly children grow. We all had leftover steak for dinner. I had a steak sandwich, and we started a new tradition, Sundaes. Monday and Tuesdays I took as a day off to try to catch up on cleaning, and here on Wednesday today, Mario has a doctor's appointment up the canyon, so we get a good look at how the burn scar from the fires is healing. It's actually healing pretty well. Happy Thursday, guys. Thrive order. I was gonna let you guys see what I got. My daughter got a Thrive subscription as a gift from my brother for Christmas, so we've been trying to utilize this. So I reordered PESTO. My daughter really wanted a spicy snack chip that was dairy free. Those are super hard to find, especially one that's good. And the PESTOs are, where is that? So I did the combo pack and I got 4. She's gonna be super excited for those. I got more of my dry coconut milk powder. This is super useful. It goes in bread, it makes it extra soft, and keeps it dairy-free. I reordered chocolates, but this time instead of getting the rice milk, I got the dark chocolate minis. I bought a pouch of vegan mayonnaise. It's really hard to find sauces when your kids are allergic to dairy and eggs, so I'm hoping that trying some vegan mayonnaise, at least one of them will think it tastes good. I got some of this ground cardamom. It's almost like a cinnamon replacement. I want to try this for some cinnamon rolls, but some cardamom rolls instead. This is supposed to be really good. And then I got Herbes de Provence. It is basil, thyme, rosemary, lavender, marjoram, fennel, parsley, and anise. This is one of the main reasons I put the order in, is I wanted to get some of these sweetened condensed coconut milk. This will make caramel basically when it's cooked down, but dairy-free caramel. So I wanted to have some milk to be able to make caramel over the summer. And then this was another reason that I got this order, just because I wanted to try a couple of these like chocolate spreads, but it's like a hazelnut spread or like a chocolate peanut butter, except it is not peanuts or hazelnuts. This one is coconut and chocolate. And the second flavor I got is cashew and chocolate. Cashew is one of the very few nuts that we can eat in this household, so I'm really super excited for those. My daughter can eat some cookies, but they don't have frosting or anything, so she wants to be able to have something to dip pretzels in, dip cookies in, put on top of celery or that kind of a thing, like fruits and stuff. So we're going to give these a try, and hopefully these turn out really good. And all of this stuff got here just in time for her field trip. And then this was the free gift I chose. It is an unflavored collagen powder, so we will be giving this a try. It is supposed to help deliver protein to support bone, joint, hair, skin, and nail health, and it is an easy addition to any keto diet. I am not personally keto, but it doesn't hurt to give some new things a try.
Thank you so much for watching. It really does mean so much to me, and I appreciate it so much. And if you like my videos, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications. As always, it's free, and I will see you guys next time.